Yo, what's the dealio? Hey, what's happening, guys? Ever bought something and then you ended up not liking it? Well, for me, that would be this couch right here. Because every time you sit down, these cushions move around. You gotta put them back in. It's just a pain in the butt. But anyway, today I'm going to use, I've had this thing for years. It's a Hoover dual power carpet washer, they call it, pro carpet washer. And I've never used the hose attachment. So today, that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to try to use this hose attachment. Okay, so let's see if it works. Okay, guys, so it just plugs into here, and that's the other end of it. That piece just goes in there, and it's got to just pull back on the lever. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, and I got this stuff in there. I got this pet odor and stain remover, and I got all kind of stuff in there. I sprayed some of this stuff on here. I'm like, at this point, can't nothing hurt all the spills and stains on this couch. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if it works. And it doesn't work. Okay, guys, I got it to work somewhat. You want to make sure it's on wash, right? And make sure you clean. It's a little filter on the bottom of this, a little one. I cleaned that, and I got it working, right? But okay, guys, I had to mute the volume because it's too loud. But what I did was, it's not sucking water up. But what I did was, I put my own water down and soap and let the brush scrub. And the vacuum works good. But that brush is spinning pretty fast. I think it's sucking water out. Yeah, it's sucking water out, I think that's how it's made. This thing only sucks water, so you gotta put your own water down. That's okay. That brush is working real good. Yeah. So you put your own water down, and the brush gets it. It sucks the water up. That brush has got power though. Put some water on there. Oh well, you can see it working good now. But yeah, it does work. Just don't push the water out though, because you got a trigger. Yeah, but no water coming out. That's alright. It's sucking it up. And that brush is working really good. Clean it. So, and as you can see, all the dirty water goes on in there. Okay? brush works real good. You can see that water. There you go, guys. You can see all the dirty water from that couch. Look at that. I think I'm gonna do that ottoman next. Yep. Yeah, buddy. But anyway, guys, on the other tank, on the bottom, you gotta check. It's a filter. It's on the bottom of the other one. It's a filter. It needs to be cleaned off. I cleaned that filter off, and that thing power came back 5 times stronger. My bad. The filter is right there. That thing was covered. And I cleaned that off. It's a little screen there. I cleaned that off, and this thing's sucking like it's brand new again. Alright? So make sure you got that filter clean and clean your other things. And yeah, back to normal. And I just want to show you guys. So this is where it plugs in at. There's a machine. Alright, just plugs in right here. And pull it out. It was right there. Okay. And this end looks like this. That end that's how the other end looks. And that's the hose. That's the whole hose. First time ever using it. That brush spins real good, but it's not kicking water out. Maybe if I do it a few times, it might start kicking water out. But I like it because you can put the water down and just let the brush clean and let it suck the water up. Okay, guys, so have a good day. And did get some dirty stuff off of there. Peace out. And that goes here. That's where the water goes. Okay. Peace. Hoover Dual Power Pro. Had this thing for years. Okay. Peace.